Chef Masa from Asian Inspirations is in the kitchen with me again today. And I don't know if this is a good or a bad thing, but I'm a little bit traumatized by mystery boxes.
It's good.
This better be a good dish.
Bit of fun.
So basically, you're gonna make something. I've got no idea what it is, and I need to guess along the way.
Yeah, I reckon you'll guess it straight away. Let's give it a try.
You reckon? Challenge accepted. Oh, okay. I like what I'm seeing. Soy sauce. Yeah.
Yep.
Shiitake mushrooms, dried.
Yep.
Katsuobushi.
You know the Japanese
flakes.
name. Nice.
I almost forgot the English word for it. I was like, what is it? Yum, organic hakubaku soba noodles. Delicious, my favorite brand, very good. Spring onions.
Spring onions.
Okay, this is getting more and more exciting as I'm digging deeper. Kombu.
Kombu, yes.
Amazing. Sake and mirin. This excites me. Duck.
Duck breast.
Duck breast, okay. I think we need to get cooking and then you're going to tell me a beautiful story and I'm going to try and guess it.
No worries.
Yes.
So we're going to start off with a cold pan.
Yep.
And no oil.
So with duck, there's obviously a lot of fat on the breast. So you want to start in a cold pan and let all of that fat render out.
Exactly.
Amazing. So while that's going, I know that these are going to require some soaking.
Yes,
but I also know that they take a while to soak. So can you talk me through what you have prepared for this?
So basically, for the start off, we got a stock that we have to make out of the dry mushrooms.
Yep.
And the kelp.
Okay.
Yep.
Beautiful.
So just get some cold water.
Yep.
You soak these in.
Yep.
And you leave it overnight.
So and cold water, mushrooms, kelp.
Yep.
Soak it in a bowl overnight.
Soak it in a bowl overnight.
Beautiful.
And then you take these out.
Yep.
You keep the liquid.
Yep.
And that's going to be your base stock. Yep.
Beautiful.
Once you got the stock ready, then we'll have some bonito, soy sauce, mirin, sake.
Yep.
All together. We'll put it all in a pot.
Yep.
And we'll make the soup base.
Amazing. This sounds achievable. I feel like I can do it.
It's very easy, trust me.
Well, if it's delicious, I'll make it at home. But I know the duck's going to take a while, so I reckon we give that about 10 minutes or so to render out. We'll come back and then we can get on to finishing this broth, cooking the noodles.
Yep.
And hopefully,
you'll know what it is by then.
I'll know what it is by then. Amazing. Well, Masa, you've been busy while I've been sitting down having a cup of tea. The duck that you were searing off in the pan, you put it in the oven just to finish it off.
Yep.
And then you've wrapped it in foil just to let it rest. It looks beautiful. So I'm sure there's a traditional Japanese name for it.
Yes, there is.
But all I'm thinking is that we're doing a little duck and noodle broth. Am I somewhat right?
Pretty much, that's what it is.
Beautiful. So organic hakubaku, soba noodles, and it's wheat and buckwheat flour.
Wheat and buckwheat flour, yes.
Beautiful. So you get like a really nice nuttiness from the buckwheat, which is so beautiful. Organic hakubaku, Australian made, soba noodles, which we love. So you're just warming up the soup, the noodles are cooking. You also did a little cheeky, very chef's technique, and you started just to scorch the beautiful spring onions of the whites. Is that just to get that raw spring onion flavor out of it? And then you've also then done your beautiful little julienne spring onions, which are in ice water, and you can see they stay nice and crunchy, they curl up a bit, and it's a beautiful garnish, but also as well as the hot broth and the cold spring onions, it's a really beautiful little contrast in flavor and texture, isn't it? I'll take that for you.
That's exactly right. Well, this particular dish is actually called a Kamo Nanban. Kamo means the duck.
Yeah, you gave it away. I was totally close to getting this.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me again.
I wasn't sure if you knew the Japanese or not, but yeah.
No, I can say a few words, but no. So what was it again?
So it's Kamo Nanban soba noodles.
Kamo Nanban soba noodles, which translates to?
Basically a duck and spring onion soba noodles.
Yum.
Nanban represents a particular area.
Okay.
And also represents the spring onions.
Well, thanks for giving it away and totally ruining the game. That's fine, it's all good.
You guessed it pretty much 80%.
I did. Good amount of those beautiful hakubaku soba noodles.
Yes.
Yum.
You can already smell it. It's very nice.
And then broth.
Some broth.
This just screams like wholesome and hearty and a big warm hug.
Yes, it's a very popular Japanese winter dish actually.
to be using
So
that
this
for
is a
something.
very light soba noodle dish. It works very well with this hakubaku noodles because it's
Yum.
nice and thin, but it
Yep.
also has that bit of texture as well. So
Yep.
if you can cook it to al dente, you got a really nice texture to it. And if you want, this is a finished dish right here. But
Yes.
if you want to spice things up a little bit, you can also use a bit of shichimi pepper as well.
Or do it. I like spice. I'm gonna dig in and try this.
Go for it.
I'll do some broth. Oh my God,
And if you cook the ducks right, it adds extra good flavor into it as well.
that is amazing.
Yeah, the noodles are good.
Masa, that is incredible. The noodles are perfectly cooked. Well done.
Thank you.
The duck is beautiful. The broth is so aromatic. It's really light as well. Very
Yes,
clean.
very clean.
It's a very, very clean bowl of noodles. That is a perfect winter's night dinner.
Yeah, that's why it's been in Japan for more than 200 years.
There you go.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.